Good morning. Today we will make ramen. Very exciting. Let's start, shall we? I still masturbate while eating top ramen at a faster rate, and the bigger quantities it counts as right when I slurp at this unbelievable pace. I turn the temperature up all the way. Sweat up on my face. If you give new effort, if you got new money, then I got a cheap method. Crack it open, throw it in a pan, and let it cook, bitch. Now that's a real education, fuck bucks. If you wanna make it in college, acknowledge all the flavors that be dropping that knowledge on these pussy-ass canned goods. We got chicken and beef to boost the manhood. Anybody want a piece of me? We'll have to get this ramen first. Start with the shrimp and the fire. If you're fully blazed, then this shit'll get you higher. Carry 5 cents a pack, 3 for $1. Unbelievable pricing, that's the future of a blue-collar worker. And I'm talking about ramen. This shit'll fill you up when you're feeling like an African. Come back when you're in the state that I'm in, and say hi to my homeboy, Top Ramen.